Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to a new video. Now we are returning to Bangalore. From Palani to Bangalore means we stayed in Palani only, and yesterday from Palani we went to Kodaikanal and we returned to same Palani there, and we stayed in the same room yesterday. And today which date? 16th. 16th. Today is 16th January 2021. Now we are returning to Bangalore. On the way to Bangalore, we are started around 6 a.m. from Palani. Now on the way, now on Dharapuram road, we are returning to Bangalore. Okay, let's watch our the returning video also. Thank you friends, keep watching. In this road only you can watch the windmill. Just watching this area. This is Palani to Dharapuram road. Full scenery. Friends, now you are watching the scenery through the Karur road we are riding. Watch how beautiful these sceneries are. इतना खूबसूरत है, राइड करना मॉर्निंग इतना पॉजिटिव है ना, एनर्जी तो मिल रहा है, देख लो. Friends, now we are small break. We took a small break for breakfast. We came through Aravakurchi, that road we came to. Now we are going to Karur road only. The Google map is sometimes is confusing. Means all road are good. Don't worry about the road condition. All road are good. Now we are on the way to Karur. Just a break for breakfast. Few minutes rest. And let's go to Bangalore. We will see on the way views from Palani to Bangalore. Hi friends, return ride to Bangalore. We reached Dharmapuri. We are sitting in a Bharat petrol pump. Petrol do bhar liya. After we are taking a small break. And morning already I told morning 6 a.m. we started from Palani. Now we reached Dharmapuri. Now around 12:30. Yesterday 12:30 we are in Kodaikanal road, and today now we are sitting in Dharmapuri. And one thing we want to tell you, every time we are coming with Aprilia and we are mentioning Aprilia, don't misunderstand. Nobody is sponsoring us. हम लोग खुद स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं, और समटाइम्स है ना IIFL स्पॉन्सर करेगा, समटाइम्स मुथूट स्पॉन्सर करेगा, मीन्स क्योंकि वी आर टेकिंग गोल्ड लोन, दैट्स वाई लेट्स मजाक में बोल रहे हैं. और कोई भी नोबडी इज स्पॉन्सरिंग अस. और वन डाउट यू हैव मीन्स सो मेनी राइड वी आर डूइंग, क्योंकि वी आर पार्शियली चेंज्ड आवर प्रोफेशन टू व्लॉग, ट्रैवल व्लॉग. So we want to make it success, means we want to make more ride and more vlog. That's why we are interested to make rides. Already our passion is also ride, and passion is also making vlog. The main thing is riding. Okay. Or one thing we want to tell you, means next long ride we planned already. We uploaded a photo. Means we are going to Mount Abu. Why we choose Mount Abu, means on I think in 2001 my first long drive with Maruti 800 from Kerala to Jodhpur, Rajasthan, due to some personal reasons. That time we went, first my long drive we went to Mount Abu with the family. So we decided to go for a ride after a long, how many years? 21 means around 19 years. Okay, we are planning for a long ride, but in between what happened means now we are thinking our dream ride is pending. Our dream ride means we want to go to Ladakh. Bangalore to Ladakh is our dream ride. Due to so many reasons, problems, we can't fulfill our dream. That's why we are waiting. Last month when we went to Nainital, that time the fog and the weather is not good, you know. That's why we decided to, no, we will go to February. Just within February or March, we will go to the Ladakh. Now we decided to go to Mount Abu, means we want more time. All rides we are not making any, not any preparation we are not doing. Just suddenly we are planning and we are going, that's all. Taking few dress and everything, and just checking the vehicle only. Or one thing means Aprilia, we are giving all service with our money we are doing. No free service, nothing. We are doing, we are spending our money. She is like our क्या है ना फैमिली की तरह है, मेरे बच्चों की तरह है. उसका देखभाल तो हम लोग खुद कर रहे हैं, उसमें भी हमें कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है. इसलिए अभी लॉन्ग ड्राइव के बारे में बोल रही थी. तो क्या हो गया, हम लोग अभी तो ये माउंट आबू जाने के लिए तो जस्ट एक डिसीजन ले लिया, तो माउंट आबू जाओ ऐसे. So now we are thinking, if we want to go to our dream ride on February or March, means we want to save money. If we are going Mount Abu also, we want to spend money. So what we are thinking, we will club this ride. Means we will go Ladakh and return through Mount Abu. Otherwise, go through Mount Abu and Ladakh and then return to Bangalore. We are planning that. If otherwise we are going to Mount Abu, means we want to spend more money. And then the second ride also we want to spend for Ladakh, that we can't. So that's why we are thinking, that is in confused ideas. We are thinking clubbing with Dream and Mount Abu. So we will go to Ladakh and Mount Abu in same ride. That's we are working out with that. Not for the preparation, only for saving money. So we will make a long drive. In between short ride will come. Not drive or ride also some confusion is there, but we will make so many short rides. We want to make our vlog success. That's why. Okay, now we are sitting in Dharmapuri petrol pump. This petrol pump is also attached with our life. So many years we are riding. When we are returning from Kerala or any other ride, if we are late, even it's around 7:30, 8 o'clock, we are staying here and we are sitting in petrol pump here. And then A2B restaurant is also there. The outside some sitting places are there. we are so for two three times we sit. We spend full night in this petrol pump. Safety is there. So many petrol pump is attached with our life. Mainly Indian Oil, and the secondary is Bharat Petrol Pump. And now we are sitting here taking few minutes break, and then we continuing our return ride to Bangalore. And thank you friends for all of them. We are giving thanks. Means without your support we will not get a power, positive energy. If we will ride, it's okay. That is our passion. We are doing last more than 8 years. But if you are giving this response, means you are giving the motivation, that is very helpful to us, and we want to thank each and everyone. Sometimes due to the time schedule, we can't give answer. Means comment we want to make it replay, means also sometimes we are missing. Sorry for that also. Everyone we are giving respect and thanks to each and everyone for your comments. Please keep support us. Now let's go to Bangalore. Hi friends. Now we reached the Mangalam Pure Veg Hotel. Around 90 kilometers for Bangalore. We are returning to Bangalore. Today's weather is good. When we went to Palani, that time the weather is little bit bad in Palani. Reaching Palani, drizzling is there. Kodaikanal full drizzling and foggy weather. But returning, we came through Aravakurchi, Karur, Salem, Dharmaburi, Krishnagiri. That road only. Its weather is good. Little bit hot. That weather is good. But we went through little bit change with the road. We went through Pallampatti road we went. That road village road, but the scenery everything is good. In this time Aravakurchi everything is okay, but we reached in Karur, that highway, Salem highway. It's okay. Weather is very good. But there, that drizzling, that weather is also good. That is other feeling. This is other feeling. Now around 90 kilometers is there. Around now what is the time?
2 o'clock.
Now 2 o'clock. 2 बज गया. Means हम लोग 6 o'clock started from Palani. Now 2 o'clock we reached here. And around 90 kilometers is there. Let's go to Bangalore. Thank you friends. Keep watching.